Alright, from this wire it goes on top. It goes on top right there, and then the vacuum hose right there, it goes to this top. Alright, you're clear. And then from this big thing here, it goes to the bottom. Alright, bottom. Then the other one there, the other one, it goes to the carburetor. Jetting right there. For the bottom one goes to the double, and then it goes right there on the corner. Okay, now it's clear. This one from the bottom. That one for the, that's important, it goes to carburetor underneath. Got this transmission booster, it's connected to the carb also, the back right there. Okay, it goes right there. That's for this one. Small one right there.
Tapos ka na sa labas, listen na sa loob.
Okay, just right there. This one from the booster goes through here. There. Another vacuum right there. Booster goes underneath. Alright guys, and then the rest, that's all the wiring coming from the battery, all the wiring harness. Let's remove this one for now. Okay, that's the thermostat, and then that's the wiring on the coil, and then for the transmission sensor, that's for this one. Simple wiring harness. 97, the white. Unplug the wiring harness, unplug the side connector, single connector. Alright, and then unplug the coolant sensor. Okay, and then just the positive and negative. There's another one on top, positive and negative, pink on top. And then that's the ground wire, then the yellow one connected to the bottom one. I believe that's negative. This is the negative, this is the positive. And then guys, I'm going to remove the whole thing right here. The only thing to remove this one, as you can see, spring. Then I remove the spring. Alright, after the spring, another spring inside. Right, the spring inside. The throttle. Remove the throttle. Okay. The throw to the spring right there. Then gonna unscrew this thing here, then just pop it out. And this thing too. Alright, then we are good to go to clean the whole thing. Card. Alright guys, we're working on this Mopar.